video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to send and receive Bitcoin or Litecoin or Ethereum from your Coinbase account to and from different blockchain wallets. So it's fairly simple to send and receive from Coinbase, and I'm going to show you how to do it on the desktop version as well as the mobile version. I'll put the timestamp in the description if you are on a mobile device. So let's go ahead and navigate over to our Coinbase account, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to send out from Coinbase first, and then I'll show you how to receive after that. So in order to send Bitcoin, what you're going to want to do is navigate to your accounts tab at the top there, and then right here where you see your Bitcoin wallet, it should be the top one there. Go ahead and click send. So go ahead and click on the send option there, and then it'll say enter a Bitcoin address. Now we've got to get our Bitcoin address. So go on over to your Bitcoin blockchain wallet, and then go ahead and go to request. So click the request tab wherever that's going to be within your blockchain wallet, and then you're going to get your what they call your Bitcoin address. Now you can either do it by copying this big long string of text and numbers, or what you can do is you can go right here and go to view QR code. So if we go to view QR code, you can copy and paste this QR code here, and then once you've done that, that will allow you to copy that as well. So navigate back over to your Coinbase wallet, and then when you're back over at your Coinbase account, go ahead and paste in that address that we just copied over. If it works and is valid, you will see a green check mark right here. Now, remember that there will be a small fee whenever you send and receive Bitcoin for the most part. There are some wallets and some tools that allow you to do it for free, but if you are doing it legit, you will probably pay a small transfer fee. So what you're going to do here is you've got the recipient here, type in the amount. You can either type it in via dollars and cents or the amount of actual Bitcoin. Just because of the way Bitcoin works, it's much easier for me to work in round numbers. So if I want to send $10 over to my wallet, I'll type in $10. It'll tell me how much actual Bitcoin that is. I can write a message and then click continue. So if I go here and click continue, just like that, it'll say confirm Bitcoin send to this address. Go ahead and click the blue confirm button there. It'll say your transaction is on the way. Now, it normally takes a few minutes up to a couple of hours. I've even seen it take a couple of days, so don't get too scared if you don't see it immediately. If you want to go back and see your actual transaction details, click the view details button, and that'll actually tell you how much you've sent, whether it's pending or already done. And then if you navigate over to your blockchain wallet, we'll see here that I actually have $9.97 in my wallet with a 3-cent fee for sending it over. Now that you know how to send it from Coinbase, let's go ahead and talk about how to receive from Coinbase. So it basically works the same way except in reverse. So go ahead and go over to your blockchain wallet, which we're here now. I actually recommend the one that's blockchain.info. It just works. It's easy. The user interface is great. So if you want to, I'll put the link in the description below. Go ahead and go to send. So go ahead and click the send button here on your wallet, your Bitcoin wallet here. And then what we're going to do is we need to do the same thing. We need to actually get the blockchain ID or the code to send over to Coinbase. So navigate back over to your Coinbase account, and this time, instead of going to send, we're going to receive. So go ahead and click the receive button here next to the send option here, and then it says only send Bitcoin to this address. You can only send Bitcoin to Coinbase, not Ethereum, not Litecoin, not Bitcoin Cash. So go ahead and click show address. You understand that? You're going to copy this long string of text and numbers like we did previously. You can either right click and hit copy or command control C, and then we'll use this guy right here, which is called a QR code, on the mobile tutorial here shortly. Once we've copied that string of text there, navigate back over to your wallet, paste in that code like we did before, and then go ahead and type in the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send over. And then once you've done that, you'll be able to type in a description or some text here in the description, and then go to continue. Once you've done that, you'll be able to navigate back over to your Coinbase wallet, and within a couple of hours, a couple of days, it will show up in your Coinbase account. That's how you do it on the desktop. Let's hop over to the mobile, and I'm going to show you how to do it there as well. All right, guys, now we're over on the mobile apps for Coinbase and both our blockchain wallet. So if we're wanting to send money out of our Coinbase account to the wallet, it's very simple and similar. All you need to do is in the bottom column there, you're going to see something that says accounts. Go ahead and go to accounts there, and then once you're under your accounts there, you need to select your Bitcoin wallet, which is going to be the one at the very top. So select your Bitcoin wallet, and then what you're going to want to do is in the upper right-hand corner, you're going to see it looks like a little paper airplane. Click that icon or tap that icon there. It's then going to say send how much. So you then want to type in the amount of Bitcoin that you want to send, and then click the blue send button at the bottom of your screen. And then once you're here, we are either going to paste that Bitcoin address or we can scan the QR code. So in order to scan the QR code, all you need to do is tap the QR code icon there next to the address there. It'll open up your camera, and then with your camera, you then navigate over to your QR code wherever it is on your screen, on your other device, and then take that and go ahead and scan that QR code like you saw me do right there. It will automatically copy in the address that you're needing to send it to. You can then type in some notes and then tap the send button in the upper right-hand corner, and that is how you send from Coinbase. Now, in order to receive, it works very similar to what you just saw. Navigate back over to your wallet, and instead of the airplane icon in the upper right-hand corner, the one right next to it is a QR code. Tap that QR code there. It will then say, this is the Bitcoin address. Again, you can only do this with Bitcoin, not Ethereum, not Litecoin, or any other coin. Click show address. It'll show you the QR code. It will show you the copy a code or copy address. Then you go ahead and copy that address just like you normally would. Navigate over to your blockchain wallet app. Go ahead and log in now. All you do once you're logged into your wallet is go to send like that there, and then what you're going to want to do is paste in that code by just tapping there on the to address, go to paste, type the amount that you want to send over. So we'll go ahead and do $10 here, and then once you're ready, tap the continue button and you are good to go. So that is how you send and receive from Coinbase to a wallet on both desktop and mobile. If you want to download Coinbase and try it out as well as this wallet, both of those links will be in the annotations and cards as well as the description of this video. Hopefully this was helpful for you. If it was, go ahead and like this video, share it with your friends and family, and I will see you guys in the next one.